In the last class, students, we have learned rule number 1 of the indices. See here, in the previous video, we have learned the first rule, a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So, whenever there is a common base with the multiplication sign, what we have to do? We have to add index number 2 plus 3. So, we get the answer 4 raised to 5. So, now we have moved ahead with the second rule. So, rule number 2 is a raised to m divided by a raised to n. Here again we are having a common indices with the base. Here indices are having a common base and the index are m and n. So, whenever division sign is there, what we have to do? Write the common base one time and subtract the index number, that is m and n. So, m minus n. So, students, when rule number 2 says whenever we are having a indices with the common base, that is a, what we have to do? We have to subtract the index. So, here one example is given to you, a raised to 6 divided by a raised to 4. So, the explanation is a raised to 6. It means a is your base and 6 is a index. So, it means a number is multiplied to itself how many times? Yes, 6 times. So, we are going to multiply a 6 times. A into a into a into a into a into a. So, how many times a multiplies? 6 times. So, which number is multiplied? A. So, a is your base and the 6 is a index. So, a raised to 4. Now again base is a and 4 is a index. So here a is multiplied to itself how many times? Yes, 4 times. So explanation, what is a multiplication form of a raised to 4 of indices? A into a into a into a. Now students, for to solve the sums, rule number 2 of indices, there are two methods, the method 1 and method 2. So, any one method which you are finding easy, you have to solve it. So, same example we have taken, a raised to 6 divided by a raised to 4. First step, you have to write the rule. A raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to common base, that is a, and subtract the index m minus n. So, substitute the value, a raised to 6 divided by a raised to 4 is equal to, the common base is a, and what you have to do? Subtract the index, that is 6 minus 4. So, what answer you will get? A raised to 2. Now, what is a method 2? The method 2 is, again we are taking the same example, that is a raised to 6 divided by a raised to 4. A raised to 6. As we know, a raised to 6 means what? See here, already we have done. A raised to 6 means a is multiplied to itself 6 times. So, the multiplication form of a raised to 6 is a into a into a into a into a into a divided by a raised to 4. So, a number is multiplied to itself how many times? 4 times. We can write here a into a into a into a into a. Now, you can find how many a's you can divide it. A cancel by a cancel by a cancel by a cancel by a. So, how many a's are left? Yes, only a into a. These things are left. So, a into a, that answer we got. Okay. So, a into a is what? A square. So, this is the first example of the explanation of the indices with the common base with the division sign. What we have to do? We have to subtract the index. This is example number 1. Now, we will see example number 2. So, example number 2, the practice set 28, simplify. M raised to 5 divided by m raised to 8. Yes? So, first step is write the rule. Second step is substitute the value. So, now here in this example, what is the common base? Yes, the base is m. The base is m. And what you have to do? Subtract the index number. So what is the index? 5 minus 8. Now students, see carefully. 5 minus 8. Here we can subtract the number 8 minus 5. Bigger number minus smaller number. 8 minus 5, we get the answer 3. Yes, but here the smaller number minus by bigger number is here. So whenever 5 is having a no sign, it means it having a positive sign, the plus sign, and the 8 is having negative sign, the minus sign. So both number are having a different sign, and when the both number are having different sign, what to do? Subtract the number 5 minus 8. Subtract the number 8 minus 5, 3, and give the bigger number of sign. What is a bigger number here? The 8 is a bigger number, and 8 is a bigger number having a minus sign. So therefore we got the answer m raised to minus 3. Same sum we have solved with the second method also. M raised to 5, it means m is multiplied here how many times? 5 times, and down it is divided by m raised to 8, means again the m is divided by 2. M is multiplied to itself how many times? 8 times, and the common term we have cancelled. 5 times m's are cancelled. Then upstairs which term is left? No terms are left, so you have to write 1. And downstairs how many m's are left? See here, 3. M into m into m. So 1 upon m cube. Both the answer m raised to minus 3 and 1 upon m raised to 3. Both are the correct answer. Any one method you have to use it. Same for the third sum. First step, write the rule. Second step, substitute the value and use the rule. So here, which is the common base? Yes, here the common base is p. And what you have to do? Subtract the index number, that is 3 minus 13. So answer is p raised to minus 10. Again the explanation is same which above is given to you. How we got the minus 10? The 3 is a smaller number and 13 is a bigger number. When smaller number subtract with the bigger number, what you have to do? Subtract the number 13 minus 3, 10, and give the sign of big number. The big number is 13, and 13 is having negative sign. So therefore we got the answer p raised to minus 10. Same way the second method of the explanation is given to you, same as above, which you have to refer it. Now find the value. Again students, same it is there. You have to just find the value. One additional step is there. Nothing is different, that all things are same. Here you can see the division sign is there with the common base. Minus 7, that is a common base. Yes, so division sign is there. So we have to apply which rule? Rule number 2. A raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. The common indices with the common base, what we have to do? Subtract the index number. The index is m minus n. So write the rule. Second step, substitute the value. 7 raised to 12 divided by minus 7 raised to 12 divided by minus 7 raised to 12. So what is a common base? Minus 7. And the index are 12 minus 12. Both index are also same. 12 minus 12, answer is 0. And any number raised to 0, whenever any number is having a degree 0, what you have to do? The answer is going to come, the value of that question of the answer is going to come 1, as per this third rule, which we are going to see in the next slide. And the second question, 7 raised to 5 divided by 7 raised to 3. So what you have to do? First write the rule, then substitute the value. 7 raised to 5 divided by 7 raised to 3. What we have to do? 7 raised to 5 minus 3. So common base is 7. So 7 you have written, and subtract the index. What is the index? 5 and 3. So 5 minus 3, answer is 2. So you got the answer 7 raised to 2. 7 raised to 2 means what? 7 number is multiplied to itself how many times? Yes, twice a time, 2 times. So 7 into 7. So what will be our value? You all have learned the table. 7 sevens are 49. Now third question, same as last one. 4 upon 5 raised to 3 divided by 4 upon 5 raised to 2. Here the common base is 4 upon 5, 4 upon 5. So write one time. Apply the second rule. Subtract the index number. So what you got the answer? 4 upon 5 raised to 1. Means 4 upon 5 multiplied to itself one time. So what answer is going to come? 4 upon 5. So value is 4 upon 5. Now fourth sum. 4 raised to 7 divided by 4 raised to 5. Apply the rule of the division, that is the second rule of indices. Substitute the value and subtract the index number. Here the common base is 4 and subtract the index number. So 4 raised to 7 minus 5. So 4 raised to 2. 4 raised to 2 means it is same like the second example. Here again the 4 number is multiplied to itself how many time? Yes, twice a time. Means what? The explanation. How we are going to write in multiplication 4? 4 into 4. So 4 4s are 16. So the value is 16. Here just we have to add one more step, finding the values also. Now rule number 3 we are going to see in the next class.